Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, two very big Songmont unboxings. I've got two. It was in the same order, but it came in two boxes. I've already done all the noisy parts, so we won't be wasting time. But I'm just going to undo more of the plastic. So let's see which bag. I think I know which bag this is from. This is, yeah, in this box because it's a bit on the small side. Okay, so the Songmont box for the thumbnails. Let me just put the box aside. The box is very nice. Very sturdy. Yes, I think I know this one. This will be and it's been quite popular. Yeah, so I'm not the first person to review it. This is the mini song bag. Isn't it so adorable? Oh my goodness, and it's pebbled leather. Very, very well packaged. And so in this order, I have two charms as well. I bought two charms. I just could not help myself. And you would have seen my video in the Songmont experience in Beijing. And I did try on this bag. But I tried on, it was the sky color, which is like basically like a sky blue color. It is a little nice and light. I think it's not very heavy. Top handle. And it has a magnetic flap here with two magnetic buttons, you can see. And, oh, wow, very strong crossbody strap, which is lovely. And it's not a huge bag, but it has width. I think it's going to be perfect. And the Songmont lettering on the bag and 4 gold feet. Oh, I love it when they include this little silicone protector. And what I do appreciate with Songmont hardware is each hardware, can you see there's actually a Songmont, their logo is embossed into the hardware. So this bag, it doesn't have, very minimal looking, very smooth. It doesn't have sort of like any other hardware. And this is the little leather tab that the strap go on. So let's open up the strap, the crossbody strap. And in Chinese, this bag is called Yuan Bao, meaning it's gold ingot. So it has that gold ingot shape, which is like traditionally what Chinese money or Chinese gold bars are in the shape of an ingot. So this is supposed to be, I guess, luck and wealth, bringing me luck and wealth, maybe wealth. So it's one of those straps with button, like a stud, and again you can see the Songmont emblem on there, even on the other side of this stud or the rivet. So what we do, we just put it on through here, through the tab, and then I can opt to have it on different, okay, so this is the adjustment part, and there's only one section, like one hole here for this. Okay, perfect. And for those who know, right, strap keeper loops. I mean, I think we all appreciate that. And I'm so glad to see that they're providing that. Did I get it right? Should it be this way? Yes, I think it should be this way so that the studs are facing outwards. I do this all the time. Getting it wrong. Hang on, is that right? Or is it this way? And then the studs. Yes. No, I don't know. I'm not sure. I think maybe that is the outside. That is supposed to be the outside. All right, that means I need to put it in this way into the strap. All right, hate to. I always have this issue. Great. So it's done. Oh, wow. It's a really pretty pink color. And I don't have a pink bag of this. I don't have a pink bag of this kind of shade, like this very pale. Well, I wouldn't say it's pale. It's definitely a lovely neutral kind of pink color. A bit more on the warm side, but not very cool tone. But yeah, it's lovely. Very, very beautiful. Very light, very beautiful bag. Lovely color. Oh, the smell. Yeah, it's very textural, sort of leather feel. It's almost like my Luna bag over there hanging. It is, I think, the same leather. Yes, I think it is. Let's do a little bit of a comparison. Let's go and get it. So let's have a look. Can we see through the camera? Sort of pebbly. Although I must say these feel like it's very smooth. It's like after you've put serum on your face, it has that somewhat sleek feel, but because it's pebbled, so it's also textured. So yeah, you can feel the pebbliness on this, you know, on my fingers. But it's beautiful, and I prefer this over the small size because I like that I can actually close my bag. And there are other reviewers who have done, especially Somehow Adulting. So she's got the pale green sage color. And even with this opening here, things doesn't seem to fall out. So I'm so impressed with this bag, and I'm so impressed with Songmont. And there are more and more words of praise from Tanner Leatherstein as well. Now it sounds like it's like we can't make up our own minds, right? But no, I really do like the brand. Not everything in their range suits me, but quite a few things I really do like. And I like how the handles are rolled over and then stitched rather than glazed. That is like a lot more work, I believe. And so there are no open edges. So this is also like an entire part of the, you know, the handle is continuous part of the bag. And this really reminds me of a structured version of those plastic bags that I used to use as a child, like when we were growing up. Back before, you know, plastic bags were banned. Just actually kind of reminds me as well, like one of those shopping totes that you're supposed to bring with you to food shopping, right? Yeah, and I'm just so impressed with the quality. Let's look on the inside. It's like it's unlined. It's sort of like the suede part of the leather, and I don't mind that. Some people don't like it, but I don't mind that. I'm going to make my own bag liner anyway, so, but I think it's nice having double lined or leather lined bags, sure, but it can be heavy because it's like having two bags, you know, two leather bags in one. Yes, so this is the mini song, or the gold ingot bag. We should call it the ingot bag, I think. Yeah, makes it sound more wealth accumulating. Okay, so in the same box I bought the so as I said, there are two charms, and this is one of them. And I like that it's got gold beads, and it's supposed to be quartz, but it looks to me like it's tiger's eye, because this bag is quite would you call it plain? Yeah, I guess so. There isn't much of a sort of, what do you call it? There isn't much of a, there's not much gold hardware on the bag, So I thought this would look so good, except I think maybe an oval ring would do better, just to hang it over like that. Oh yes, this pink, I love it. Goes with most colors, goes with my color scheme. Definitely, that's what I'm wearing. So I do think this diameter is a bit small to go into. Yeah, see, like I can't actually close it. I'm gonna have to attach like another ring or something like that, or have it done this way. But I think I really like it like that. I'm going to have to play around with it this way. In fact, and those of you who thinking about this, you can also wear this as a bracelet. I think it's really cool, and I've tried it. It's definitely too big for me, but yeah, I think for somebody with a bigger wrist, totally works. It's like, it reminds me of prayer beads. Okay, so let us open the other box, which contains another bag and another charm. Okay, so let's see what fits. Totally a lot can fit in here. I think a good amount. Oh, which is also pink. My wallet. Phone would definitely fit in there. Sunglasses in a soft case. Definitely, or maybe a folded one. There's plenty of room in there. And my phone. And my goodie bag of like lipstick, eye drops, and whatever else. Slide it in there. Wow, plenty of space still. Let's take the folding sunglasses out. Still plenty of space for phone in here. Goodness, I underestimated this bag because in the when I was in Beijing, I thought it looked a bit small, but you know what? It's not. Oh my goodness, no, it's really good. All right, let's do some mod shots. I'll put it on. It's lovely. This is a good crossbody length. Oh wow, okay, so it would look so nice if the beads would like go on like that. Yeah, right. Oh my goodness. Yes, I'm gonna have to think of a clever way to make the charm work. I'm very happy with this purchase. Very happy with this bag. And I can even do it like that. It's big enough to go crook of the arm. But yeah, also I think it's, even if, let's say for the evening, if you didn't want to use a shoulder strap, you could loop a metal, like a metal chain kind of strap, and then it would look a little bit more elevated. And this is like smart casual, but it's so cute. Clean lines. Yeah, going from day to night, easy peasy. Well, anyway, thank you for watching, everyone. Stay tuned for part 2, the second bag of the Songmont Black Friday haul.